Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, let us boost our cherry skulls fast with these hacks. Are you struggling to stay focused while studying? Do you find yourself procrastinating instead of getting work done? Don't worry, we have got you covered with these study hacks to help you improve your study skills fast. First thing first, create a study schedule and stick to it. Set specific times for studying each day to establish a routine that will help you to stay on tracks. This will also help you avoid last minute cramming before exams. Next, find a quiet and comfortable study space free from distractions. Make sure you have all the necessary study materials within reach to minimize interruptions. A clutter-free environment can do wonders for your concentration. Use active learning techniques like summarizing the material in your own words, teaching the concepts to someone else, or creating flashcards. Engaging with the material in different ways can help you retain information better. Take regular breaks to prevent burnout. Studies have shown that short breaks can improve focus and productivity. Use the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5 minutes break. Lastly, do not forget to stay organized. Keep track of deadlines, assignments, and important dates in a planner or a digital calendar. This will help you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.